Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Now for the DXY. As we came to the close of the month of September, the DXY finally started to reverse from its month-long rally. The first week of October, which is the coming week, is extremely crucial for us to determine the price direction for the rest of the month. Whilst I'm slightly biased towards a continued sell-off, we must not ignore the short-term irrationality of markets. So what do I mean? So for a bear case, we could see price fall lower from here and then find some indecision around this level, right, before dumping down further. This is for the bear case, which is our bias. Now for the bull case, if we're bullish on this pair next week, we must then decide if it's a fake out or a breakout. What do I mean? Will it do this? Green line, right, and then dump, or will it do this, retest, and then pump, right? We have to decide if it comes to that. So yeah, still slightly more biased than bullish. So if it breaks out, I think it will be a fake out and we'll try another sell, right? If it doesn't work, then we'll wait and see.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.